So hello guys, welcome back to the episode 3 of how to make a basic jumping game on Scratch. And guys, in this video we are gonna paint a new sprite. For that, go in the rectangle, set the brightness to 35, saturation 0, and just like this. Go in text and set the fill to brightness 100 and saturation 0. Now type you win. Oops. You win. Okay. So now we will just bring it over here. Okay, so now go in the character and say when flag is clicked forever, go in variables and make a variable named score. Okay. So now say set the score to 0 and change score by 1 after every 1 seconds. Now set the score to large readout. Now if you see that nothing is happening. In the sprite one we will just hide it. Now you can see it is working properly. Yeah, it is working properly. So now in the sprite one we will say that when flag is clicked, hide, and then we will go in the character and we will say when flag is clicked forever if the oops, this is the wrong one. We will have to select this one. We'll have to say that if the score is greater than 200, then broadcast a new message which will be you win. Now in the sprite one, we will say when I receive you win, show go forward 10 layers and then stop all. Now if we see our game, then it is working properly. First of all, I will just set it 10 so that you can see that it is working properly. Yeah, so now it is greater than 10, so it displayed you win on the screen. Now we are ensured that it is working properly. So we will put 200 here, and yeah, this was all for today. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.